everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show how to make a very beautiful and very easy bandana. This works very easy project for beginners. We are starting by making a slip knot. Make a slip knot and chaining. Make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert your hook into first chain. Bring yarn, slip stitch. Now we have 1 ring. And crochet the first row stitch in this ring, from here, and hidden this tail thread under stitches when you are crocheting. Hide this yarn under stitch. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, go into first ring, this ring. Bring yarn, 1 pull through, 2 pull through. Make a chain, yarn over, go into first ring, make a double crochet, 1 pull through, 2 pull through, make a chain, yarn over. In the last stitch of this row, we do this: yarn over, go into ring, pull through, make a chain, pull through, pull through. We have 3 times pull through in this stitch. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, turn it, yarn over, insert your hook in this hole, in top of last stitch, look like in this hole. One pull through, 2 pull through. We always make a chain between stitches. Make a chain, yarn over, go into this stitch, make a double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make a double crochet, 1 chain, go to last hole, yarn over, make 1 double crochet in here, make a chain, yarn over, and go to second chain of this stitch, 1, 2, second chain, insert your hook, go into second chain like this, make 3 times pull through in the last stitch, 1 chain, 3 times pull through, 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, yarn over, go into top of this stitch in this hole, make a double crochet, one chain, go to this stitch, one double crochet, one chain, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, going to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one chain, go to last hole, yarn over, one double crochet, one chain, and yarn over, insert hook in second chain. We have 3 times pull through, make a chain and repeat. 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to this hole, one chain, into this stitch, one double crochet, one chain, and repeat for all stitches. One double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, one chain. Go to next stitch, make a double crochet in last stitch, in last hole, make a chain, yarn over, going to second chains of this stitch, bring yarn, make a chain, pull through, and repeat this for more rows. Turn it, yeah, go into this hole, make a double crochet and repeat. I crocheted this piece for 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters crochets, and in last row I'm going to crochet last row. 1, 2, 3 chains, turn it, yarn over, go to this hole, one double crochet, go to next stitch, one double crochet, one double crochet, make a double crochet in each stitch without make chain, yarn over, go to this hole, stitch from top of this stitch, make a double crochet, go to next stitch, make a double crochet and crochet it as here, make a double crochet in this, in all stitches, make a double crochet, go to next stitch and make a double crochet, go to this hole and make a double crochet, In the last stitch of last row, in this row, yarn over, go to second chain and make a double crochet, make this piece, go to this hole, bring hook in this hole, bring yarn, pull through, insert your hook between these yarns, insert hook between these yarns, bring yarn, pull through, insert your hook between yarns, bring yarn, pull through, insert your hook between these yarns, bring yarn, pull through, and continue 20 centimeters. In the other side, go to the first stitch, tie yarn from here, insert your hook, first stitch, bring yarn, yarn over from tail of yarn, pull through, going to between these chains, bring yarn, pull through, going to between of these chains, between these chains, bring yarn, pull through, and continue. Insert your hook to corner stitch, tie yarn, insert your hook, bring yarn, yarn over, fixed yarn, go to this hole, bring yarn, crochet 2 yarn, pull through from this stitch, pull through, insert your hook from to next stitch, insert your hook to this hole, insert your hook in this stitch, go to next stitch, pull through, go to this hole, pull through, go to next stitch, and continue like this. Hide tail of yarn under stitch, go to next last stitch, pull through, and fix yarn from